Hey Sunshines! Today I want to share with you how I got this gory mermaid makeup look. First you'll go ahead and do your preferred foundation, concealer, eyebrow routine. Then you'll go ahead and use a skin toned eyeshadow base before adding blue on the lid and a green eyeshadow blended into the crease and outer V. After that, you'll go ahead and do some white flicked out winged eyeliner and then add some thinner black eyeliner. Finally, curl your lashes and add mascara. Starting on the FX, which is obviously the fun part, go ahead and sketch out the scale wounds with a white or light brown eye pencil. Once you're done with the sketch, go ahead and put liquid latex on top of the sketch and add some ripped tissue. You'll then blend the tissue into the skin with more liquid latex. While waiting for the liquid latex to dry, go ahead and fill in the wound with primarily blue eyeshadow. I added in some green and then used some darker blue under the tissue area to mimic shadows. Once the latex is dried, go ahead and use concealer or foundation on the tissue to help it blend in with your skin and look more natural. I used black eyeliner to draw the individual scales, and then I used white eyeliner to add a glint of light on each individual scale. Use various colors of eyeshadow, or if you have cream makeup, you can use that. I used reds, purples, and grays primarily to mimic bruising around the scaled areas. Use liquid latex to adhere part of a straw above your nose. Add layers of tissue on top of the straw until it blends in with your nose. Again, using more liquid latex as needed. Like before, cover the tissue with foundation and bruisey eyeshadow colors. Add your preferred lip color. I picked a pinky gloss. Put the bottom part of the straw on your nose, add fake blood pretty much everywhere, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial, and be sure to tag me on social media if you decide to try out this look yourself. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other cosplay related content. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.